So sound therapy for me is holistic healing at a vibrational level that transcends our everyday to the extraordinary. If you think about it, frequency and sound is not something we can see, but it's everywhere. And our bodies are made up of 70% water. When water touches a vibration, and you can see some of the pictures that different somatic people have used to see that the water starts to vibrate. And when the water vibrates, it creates a healing mechanism within our bodies, because our organs are affected, our heart is affected, our lungs are affected, and every part of us is affected. So it can really bring us back to that grounding. And when you tailor sound with breath, you have this amazing capability to get back into yourself, to really hone in on your true authentic self and heal from within. And I don't know if everybody knows, but each of our organs also hold vibration and frequency. So if you get tuning forks and have a tuning fork that's tuned to the organ, you can place it on that organ and receive healing that way. Because our bodies want to heal, they want to be in vibration. But sometimes we do live in a world that is out of vibration. Our food is poisoned, our water is not the best. But when we start really integrating healthy food and clean water into our bodies, we start to heal from within. And when we're healed from within, we can start living our true life's purpose. So I want to invite everybody here that's listening to start really thinking about the food you're eating, the water, and start listening to high vibrational frequencies such as 528 hertz. 528 hertz is our heart vibration, and that's going to really attune your whole body to start to heal and vibrate at a higher rate so you can live your life purpose and do the wonderful things you're here to do on this earth.